Hey guys, in today's video I am going to demonstrate this amazing Marseille soap and show you just how many different things that you can use this for. Honestly, it is the miracle soap. You can make all sorts. So I'm going to start off and show you how you can use it to wash your dishes. So all that you do is have the soap bar, and then I'm going to use my coconut scourer, and then I'm just going to wash my dishes. As you can see, look how soapy that is now. How amazing is that? So that is #1 use for your Marseille soap. Next, I'm going to show you how you can use it to wash or clean all of your surfaces. So this is a multi-purpose cleaner. You can use it in the kitchen, in the bathroom, all over, and it will clean all of your surfaces. For this one, I'm going to take my Scrubbies cleaning cloth that I've got and my Marseille soap. So what I'm going to do is wet my Scrubbies first and then rub it onto the soap. So when it's wet, you just take your soap, rub it on there, and now it's on here, I can just rub and clean my surface. What I would do then is just take this, rinse it out and wash it again. Ta-da! It's that easy, and you can use it for all sorts of things that you're cleaning, so it doesn't just have to be these types of surfaces. It's really good for bathrooms as well. And I'd say that you don't even need to use a cloth. If you want, you could literally rub this straight onto the surface and then just rinse it with. For these next uses of the Marseille soap, you need to grate your soap. So I've just grated mine into little bits like that, and you can actually do this with the whole soap bar if you want, but I tend to use half for that and then half for the other uses as well. So once you've grated it, it'll look like this, and I'm going to show you what you can use that for. So I'm now going to show you how to make your own laundry liquid, and I'm going to show you using the Marseille soap. Actually, you only need the Marseille soap and water to make your own laundry liquid, but you can also add white wine vinegar for fabric softener and also bicarbonate of soda for a water softener. So those are two optionals to add in, but otherwise all you need is your grated Marseille soap and water. Once your soap has fully dissolved in the hot water, then what you do is wait for it to cool down a bit. Once your soap and water mix has cooled down a bit, then you can put in your bicarbonate of soda and your white wine vinegar. So I'm just going to pour this in there now. And then your vinegar. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make your own laundry liquid. So now I'm actually going to put mine in an old plastic container that I still have from when I wasn't plastic free. So I actually keep this to make my own laundry liquid and put it in there. So it's just good to have something like this, but equally if you have another place that you can store it sealed, then pop it in a bottle like that as well. I just like to reuse things and not throw them away if they're still able to be used, and this is kind of the perfect container for me. So just make sure when you're using it to give it a shake, before you put it into your washing machine, just to make sure that it's all mixed together and ready to be used. And that's it. Marseille soap is really good also, not just for laundry liquid, but you can use it to make your liquid to hand wash. So if you are washing any wool or leather, then Marseille soap is really well known for being great at washing those. It also can be used as a stain remover. So if you just take a bit of this and rub it directly onto the stain and then wash it normally, it will be really effective at removing any stains. And it's also good at removing the chlorine smell from your swimming costumes. So with that, all that you need to do is take some shavings from the soap, mix it with water until it is diluted, and then pop your swimming costume in with that. Leave it maybe overnight and then wash it out, and the chlorine smell should have gone. You can even use your Marseille soap to clean your toilet. So all that you do is take some grated bits of the soap, mix it with some hot water, pour it in your loo, and then scrub it. So I'm just going to show you what that looks like. So here's my soap. You just put in a bit of water, and then you can mix that together. And there you go, a super clean toilet. As you can use your Marseille soap when it's in a bar form, but also with the grated shavings, I like to separate half of it, use half of it for my dishes or as a soap bar, or for cleaning, but the other half I grate and I put into a jar like this. And make sure that you seal it, because that will ensure that that they stay dry and are easy to use for longer. So that's how I store them. So the last thing that I wanted to talk to you about, how you can use your Marseille soap if you don't have enough reason already, is that you can use it to wash your own skin. So you can use a few shavings and pop them in your bath, and that can be quite a good effective way to be clean and also get a few bubbles whilst you're bathing. But equally, you can also use it when you're showering. So if you wanted to, you could cut off parts of this and leave it in your shower, and you can just rub it directly onto your skin. So I just wet that a bit, and also my arm. Then I can show you, if you just rub it directly onto your skin, you can see that it lathers quite nicely. So if you really don't know what soap bar to get, here you go, you can see even more there how much it can lather. So if you're not sure what soap to go for, then I really recommend that you take a look at the Marseille soap bar. It really does everything. You can have your plastic-free laundry without buying laundry strips or laundry powder. You can still make a liquid yourself. You can use it to wash all your clothes, hand wash, get rid of stains. You can use it to clean all of your surfaces, including yourself. It really has unlimited uses. So I'd recommend that if you haven't given it a go already, then give it a go.